In this morning's Money Watch, defaults on student loans. They're up 7%, with the average debt at graduation coming to more than $23,000. CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is back with a plan on how students can make their debt more manageable. Good morning.
Morning, Harry.
First things first, whatever you do, you really don't want to default.
You don't want to default, and being in default on a student loan means not paying it off for 270 days. The reason you don't want to default is that there's really huge consequences to this. The bank, the lender, can garnish up to 15% of your wages. They can take back your tax refunds. They can even keep you from getting new professional licenses and getting work in the future.
Wow, that is so. This is.
It's very significant.
If you've got a student loan, you really
don't want to default.
Need to really be paying attention this morning. Now, if you're having difficulty paying back, what should you do?
First thing you want to do is contact the lender, whether it is a private lender, whether it's the institution where you're attending school. Let them know your circumstances. Sometimes they can defer your payment terms for up to 3 years, especially when it comes to federal loans. On top of that, you can change your repayment schedule. So make sure that you talk to them about all of those alternatives. But remember, pay off the highest interest rate loans first, because those are the ones that are costing you the most.
Now, how difficult is it, though? Because sometimes students have a loan over here, a loan over there, a loan over there. Is it difficult to consolidate loans?
It's actually easier than many people think to consolidate loans, and it's a very good option for people who they just want one payment and they also want to cut their monthly payments. In many cases, consolidating loans can cut your monthly payments up to 50%, cut them in half. So it's good to do.
How would you not do that? I mean, you would have to do that.
You should definitely consider it. And if they are federal loans, you want to go to loanconsolidation.ed.gov. That's the website that'll help you fill out forms. If they're private, go to finaid.org, because with private loans, you have to consolidate under a private lender. Wells Fargo, Chase are some of the banks that do it.
All right, lots of kids heading off to college right now. The parents are saying, I can't believe how much this costs. If you need to get a student loan, what's the best thing to do?
Best thing to do is first look at federal loans. Generally speaking, the terms are better for the people who are borrowing, so students and their parents. So the Stafford loan, the Perkins loan, these are some of the places. And if you're looking for a private loan, again, finaid.org as well as bankrate.com, talk to students about some good places to go.
Rebecca Jarvis. Can you imagine being able to cut it in half? Awesome.